Hi everyone, Raider here. Hope you're all doing great and having a fantastic day. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing and taking a first look at the S-View wallet case for the Samsung S23 Ultra. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed and we'll take a look at it. All right, we'll get the knife out here. Okay, all right, get this out here. Maybe. There we go. One way or the other. Make sure I'm in camera here. All right, we got some little protective packaging around it. I am not familiar with this case at all. There was some free credit that was given during the pre-order time of getting this case. Well, this is interesting. We have the matching green because I have the green S23 Ultra here. Let's see if there's anything else in the box before we move forward. Looks like we got some little book here. I don't see any stick-ons or anything. Looks like basic, straightforward instructions. All right, let's go ahead and take a look. So it looks like we're just going to pop it in here, huh? Interesting. So first things first, it's got a interesting feel to it. I'd say it feels a little bit slippery, kind of a cloth feel to it, especially here in the middle where the hinge is. Very interesting. Let's go ahead and get this on here. I noticed there's a little wallet holder here, so you can put some cards in here. I have a feeling a lot of this material here, you can tell it's kind of like changing colors as I press on it. Probably be an oil magnet. We'll see over time. But it looks pretty cool. Not sure about how much protection this would actually offer though. I feel like this is more of just a cosmetic case. Let's go ahead and plop it in here and see how it looks. Okay, all right. That's definitely a secure fit. I wasn't too sure if that was like a insert piece or not, or part of the case. So here it is in all its glory. Definitely a snug fit. It is not moving around on there. All in all, I'll have to give an honest review here and say my overall impressions are probably like a C rating. I don't feel the build quality is really good on this. Feels really flimsy. I think this is nice for a case to like take out on dinners, something like that. Not sure I would use this as like an all-day protection type case. I don't think there's just not enough meat on the bone really to protect this device. So I'll use it around the house, but out on the go, definitely going to look at one of the Spigen options. I might check out the MagSafe option that they have for the S23 Ultra. But initial impressions of this, so-so. It looks really nice. I'll give it that. Oh, there we go with the little S-View. So it recognized it this time. It gives us a little clock. Hey, I kind of like that. That's pretty cool. So interesting. It recognizes that this particular case is on here, and it gives you this little clock view that's up on the screen. Let's show that one more time. I'll get it up close. So that is pretty cool. You got your battery and your cell service and all that stuff up there. So that part I like. I'll give it that. But otherwise, as far as the fit and finish and the feel of it, you know, like I said, so-so. It looks like as far as the thickness goes, it goes right up to the thickness of the camera rings. Not sure if that's going to show up on camera here. All right, yeah, there we go. So it does make the phone nice and flush when you sit it on a table. So that's kind of nice. You can see here it's just sliding on the case itself, not on any of the camera lenses. So that's a huge plus. I don't know, maybe this thing will actually grow on me a little bit. I do like how snug it is in there. I mean, this phone is not coming out of here. It is definitely a snug fit. So maybe I'm gonna up my rating, you know? I've been using it here for a couple minutes because I really like that view right there. That's kind of cool when it works. Let's see if we get it to work here. There we go. I do like that view. That's pretty sleek. So the build quality, not so great, but the fit and the actual function and look of it, fantastic. Looks great. So the build quality gets like a C or D. In the looks of it, I'll give it like an A minus. You know, I think it looks pretty good. Let's see if it goes all the way over to the edge. Let's see, full edge protection. Yeah, it does. It kind of goes right over to where it starts to like fold around, you know, on the screen, how it goes into that rounded corner here. So yeah, I'd say it does a pretty good job. And you'll see here, it's like enclosed inside. Let me see if I can get this angle. The whole phone is kind of enclosed inside. So when it flaps back down, it's kind of flapping all the way to the edge of this case. So that's kind of nice. You know, you're not always just slapping against a screen. Of course, you're pressing on it when you're touching like this. Don't get me wrong. But as far as like slapping it down like that, I think that's pretty cool. It looks like you get your notifications in the top there too. I saw one come in. So all in all, I'll say this isn't a bad case, really. You know, it's definitely got the nice look to it, just not a very protective case. Better options out there for that. So the S-View wallet case, Not a bad option, direct from Samsung. As always, thanks for watching.